Good afternoon, folks. Doug here with Sewell Motor Coach, and today I want to show you why I think that this Tiffin Wayfarer behind us is definitely an equal match to the leisure travel vans. Vans. Check it out. This is a 2021 Tiffin Wayfarer. This is the 25 RW. It is the Murphy bed edition. When we get inside this thing, I'm going to show you why this is my favorite floor plan and some of the reasons I think Tiffin is definitely on the same level as leisure travel van. They really have done an amazing job making this coach. This Tiffin Wayfarer has some really cool features on the inside, and the drivability on this coach really is something special. And when you see some of the safety features that Mercedes updated for this model year, it really becomes an extreme value versus some of the newer ones. And even the 2023s, they're $50,000 more than what the 2020 models were, 2021 models were. So that really adds a lot of value to what this is. And honestly, there's very minute changes to this coach. This coach was really optioned, fully optioned. We'll go over all the options as we walk through the coach, but I just want to show you it does have the Girard awning that has a built-in speaker with Bluetooth capability and lighting inside the slot, inside the awning there. I love the Tiffin logo, that big nice chrome Tiffin logo. This does have the Alcoa wheels on it. Really, that's a huge option and makes it look so much better. I like the white stripe there with all the silver, and really giving this, it's got a two-tone silver paint. You got an outdoor television here, plenty of storage to go along with this coach, all in beautiful condition. This coach does have a small inverter in it, so you can run some of your plugs and televisions and whatnot. It does have a central vacuum system. And just look how great a condition everything is in here. It is absolutely beautiful coach. This coach was optioned with the Truma AquaGo system. Does have a propane heater. Some more storage here. You do have a Cummins Onan quiet diesel generator, 3,200 watts. You're going to run that centrally ducted air conditioner inside. I love how Tiffin does their name right on the side, built by Tiffin. They are proud of their product, and I don't mean that in a facetious way. They're proud of it because they really know how to build a motorhome. Tiffin's fit and finish, in my opinion, folks, Tiffin's fit and finish is among the best in the industry, and I don't think there's too many people out there that could argue with that. But let's keep looking at this coach. It's beautiful. I love the Wayfarer, kind of that cursive Wayfarer signature there. This coach does have some extra towing package put on it, so you can put one of those like motorcycle ramps or whatnot on the back of it here if you needed to. I like that the previous owner decided to put this little leveler on here. This coach was optioned with the hydraulic leveling. Coming around the back here, plumbing bay all in great condition. Slam latch doors, really all the water bay is all in beautiful shape. This thing really is brand new in the wrapper. And also something that Tiffin does, I love their new slide system. This whole slide out here is a one-piece molded fiberglass side. So you don't have to worry about a rotting slide or any of that stuff. This slide out system will be good for many years to come. And let's check out the rest of the storage right here. Really nice deep storage here. Got your power cord inside. Again, everything is super clean and good shape. It's going to be your propane tank. And the age of this coach should really show through, and you see how clean everything is and in excellent condition. But let's go inside this coach and give you a look on the inside. We're going to pop the slide open, put the awning out, and take you for a tour on the inside. What do you say? This coach has some really cool features when it comes to the power seat, automatic headlights. You got power window controls here. This coach has adaptive cruise control. You can adjust the distance between you and the car in front of you. A lot of people should have adaptive cruise control in their vehicle now. Also has some lane keep. You can manage all of your phone controls, turn the volume up and down on the radio, all right from the hands-free device right here. Coach has 19,000 miles on it. I love the fact that it has this huge upgraded LED screen. This model year changed to a whole new all new dash and controls. The previous owner left the phone holder, magnet phone holders in here, but we got navigation, really super comfortable chairs, and you can also get back in access everything in the back of your coach very easily. But walking right through, everything's easily accessed. You don't have to turn sideways or scoot. You can get back to the bathroom and access everything in the coach. This coach really is built and designed around the person who wants to hit the road and really get a ton of miles in. So hope you like it, and check out the end of the video for some rolling shots and the website, the price, all that stuff will be at the end of the video. All right, coming inside this beautiful Tiffin Wayfarer, 21 model Tiffin Wayfarer, we do have the ever desirable dual recliners here. These are power reclining chairs and a love seat there. Behind us we do have sleeping for 2 kids, 1 good sized adult with a ladder there you climb up. You do have an LG television right here. I love the natural wood cabinets in this coach. This gray solid Corian style solid surface countertop, drawers, and all that good stuff there. This is a Murphy bed unit, so you're going to get the couch that's going to convert to a bed. Let's show you that real quick. And it's as simple as just hitting a button here, dropping these down, move a couple couch cushions, drop your legs, and you got it. And to put that bed up, it's as simple as just pushing a button and it pops itself right back up. And we're just going to pop this leg down like that. We would also do the leg on that side. And you can see we're just missing 2 couch cushions. Easy to put those back in place. Just like that, and we're all set. Coming back in the rest of the coach here, we do have our Norcold freezer refrigerator, a convection microwave, another flat screen TV. I love the fact that this TV is a smart TV. Does have a sound bar above. This is your control center for your solar panels, your Truma AquaHot cable and antenna TV switch, and your Cummins Onan diesel generator operator here. Three big drawers here. You got your G8 and 110 panels down below. Nice big hanging storage here, and another hanging closet right there. The best part of this coach, I think, honestly, is the bathroom. Plenty of room in the shower here. Nice big shower, plenty big enough for even a big boy like me. Porcelain toilet, foot pedal flush, and a nice vessel style bowl sink, and a lighted mirror. I think the ladies will really appreciate the lighted mirror, and we have 2 drawers above. Hey, if you like this coach and you want to see more pictures and information on it, just simply log into our website at sewellmotorcoach.com. That's spelled SEWELL motorcoach.com. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give us a like and a share and hit that subscribe button. If you want to be notified when we post more videos, simply hit that bell button over to the right of the YouTube screen there. That'll let you know whenever we post more videos. I hope you'll have a wonderful and blessed day. This coach is going to be priced at $139,995. This is a consignment, so we're open to offers. Give us a call. Let's talk about the price on it. We'd love to make it yours. Hope y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. Talk soon.